That's open. All right, we got one bad fuse. Now we gotta see why. Check to see if it's calling. Bam. Voltage. Oh, it's dead. Check for incoming voltage. All right, phase to phase. Then you do phase to ground. All right, so what I'm suspecting is a blown fuse. Do a continuity test. That's open. All right, we got one bad fuse. Now we got to see why. I'll isolate the compressor, remove the wires. Make sure you remember the phase. Got black, blue, oh, yellow, blue, black. Okay. All right. Now that it's isolated. Okay, go ahead. Okay, so it's not a direct short or anything, so we'll go ahead and put that back. We have yellow, blue, snug them up for now so they don't drop. And you make sure that it does seat between the screw. All right, just a little. Okay. So that's that. Go ahead and put this on the. As I was checking the wire to the capacitor, if you take a closer look, this terminal here, it broke off on the end here. So I'll repair that here, so I can get this unit back online and see, further diagnose it. So in this case, we got that. I like to get this on the side of the crimp. Of course, that's gonna drop. Okay, right there. Get that in there. Make sure it's seated. Okay. And always got to get that tug. So that's good. Okay, that's back on. And then the other connection I found, well, this is the one that I dropped earlier. This is the other connection that I found. This right here. So See, that's a good sign that something was getting real hot. So we'll fix that for sure. Cut it back right there. Okay, got that. Okay. Okay, make sure that it is seated. Okay, give it a good squeeze. All right. Okay, give that a tug. Check all the other connections. That seems to be okay. We'll fix that. Okay, so now that I've did that, check connections, I go back to my disconnect. One thing to note, disconnects, they do go bad as well. And so like I brought up some spare fuses. Always bring up 2. You just never know. So what I mean by that is when you have connections that are loose at the source, that can cause excessive amp draw, overheating, things of that nature. So in this case, and this varies from disconnect to disconnects, as they're different. So this blade or knife type, sometimes when you go to take off this cover and you go to look, sometimes the blade doesn't seat properly all the way in. You might be able to restore power to it and the lever's all the way up, but that blade sometimes is not all the way in, and that can cause issues. So, well, so we got that. Make sure that it's seated in, it's not loose, and then I'll check all the lugs. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right. This is not good. Thought I get sucked in. All right. I gotta take care of that insulation. But for now, just to that's a fan motor, 1.8 compressor, 13 4.5 for the blower, down to 60. 3.6 compressor. No, that's refrigerant. So 15, 1.5, 5.9. Seems to be running okay, actually. Let me show y'all. So there is a way to bypass this. So you can open it with the power on. That way you can unlock this. And what I do is I inspect the knife. In this case, it's all the way in. So we're good on the disconnect.